Hi friends, welcome to Yuva Maths Theory Lectures. Problems we have already covered in this app. Download this app to get these problems solved. Solve problems basically, easy as well as difficult. And these theory lectures, they are useful for CBSE, ICSE and state boards across India and outside India as well. So let's move on to the topic, circles. Topic is easy, only 3 theorems are important in this. So let's see. Few of the things you might have already studied in your earlier standards. So circles, what is circle? A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. See this is a circle. They are at a constant distance, means starting from O is called as a center, and all these points on this are at a equal distance. So OP is called as the radius. So that is circle basically, constant distance from a fixed point. That fixed point is called as a center. The fixed point is called as a center. Okay, radius, the constant distance from the center is called as the radius, this OP. Okay, these are simple things, so move on fast. Chord. Now chord is something different. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Means on the circumference, if you take any 2 points and join it, that's called as a chord. Every diameter is a chord. Okay, so diameter. So a chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter, right? So that's what we said earlier. Chord, any 2 points on the circumference. So the diameter is also what? It's just a chord passing through the center and joining the opposite sides of the circle, right? So basically every diameter is a chord. Okay, so it's a longest chord basically. Remember this. Tangent, when a line meets the circle at one point or 2 coincidings, the line is known as a tangent. Actually the definition should be very simple. If a line touches the circle externally, then that line is called as a tangent. It should be as simple as that. Never to make the things confusing. See here, this AB touches the circle externally. That's it. That's tangent. A tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Means what? Say this. A radius is OP and AB is the tangent. So these two are always perpendicular. Length of 2 tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. So this is also a theorem. We'll see at the end also. So length of 2 tangents from an external point. See, this is an external point P and this is the circle, and A and B are 2 points. So PB and PA are drawn. So PA will always be equal to PB, right? PA and PB are the 2 tangents drawn from an external same point. Okay, so these theorems again. What is the theorem number 1? Tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This above one, which we said earlier. So this you can definitely prove. You can see the proofs available. Even we have proved it in our problems. So it's very easy, nothing difficult as such. Remember the theorems. Tangent is always perpendicular to radius. Theorem 2 is also the same. A line drawn through the end point of a radius and is perpendicular to it, then it is a tangent. Basically it's the reverse definition of theorem number 1. Okay, both the theorems are one and the same. Third one. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. We studied earlier that only. This external point is A. P and Q are the 2 points on the circle. So AP equals to AQ. Now few important points about this theorem. See here. If 2 tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, see this, then what? They subtend equal angles at the center. Means what? Subtend at the center. Center is O. So subtension means what? POA and QOA both are equal, 1 and 2. Okay. Similarly, they are inclined to the segment joining to the center of that point. They are equally inclined to the segment joining the center to that point. Means this 3 and 4. So equally inclined. So AO is a horizontal line and these two are equally inclined. So 3 equals to 4. Okay, that's the meaning of these two given sentences. So that was a theory on circles. You can download this Yuva app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. These video lectures contain theory as well as problems. These problems are simple ones as well as tough ones. They are useful for CBSE, ICSE and various state boards across India and outside India also. You can follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, you can get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.